Give it a name and a starting price, everything else can change later. This is where shoppers make their choice, like weight, color, or size. Each new choice becomes its own row, ready for its own price and photo. The lightest choice stays at your starting number, heavier ones can cost more. The heaviest choice earns the biggest markup, you decide exactly how much. One click builds every combination instantly, no manual entry for each choice. Each combination gets its own photo and count, so shoppers see exactly what they're buying and you never oversell. One click and it's live for shoppers, no separate systems to update. Here's what shoppers get. The price and photo change together, the instant they pick a weight. Nothing to refresh, nothing to guess, buyers always see the right combination.